Good day everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung bago ka pa lang sa YouTube channel ko, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell at palike na rin po ng mga videos ko. So for today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is about ratio. And not all about ratio. Ang part lang na pag-uusapan natin ay kung paano mag-lowest term ng ratio. At ang mga ilo-lowest term natin ay mga whole numbers na ratio. So, ang topic natin for today is lowest term of whole number ratio. So, para mas maintindihan nyo yung tinutukoy ko, let's have example number 1. Example number 1 is 4:12. So, para ma-simplify natin yan or ma-lowest term natin yan, kailangan natin siyang gawing fraction notation. So, from column notation, gagawin natin yung fraction notation. So, paano yung magiging fraction notation? Magiging 4/12. Next, how to lowest term? Iisip tayo ng pinakamalaking number na pwedeng i-divide both kay 4 and 12. So, magdi-divide tayo. So, ano bang pinakamalaking number na pwedeng i-divide both kay 12 at kay 4? So, ang pinakamalaking number na yun ay simply 4 din. So, i-divide natin yung 4 at yung 12 kay 4. So, 4 divided by 4, that is equals to 1. And 12 divided by 4, that is equals to 3. Then, lagay lang tayo ng fraction bar. So, again, ang nakuha nating sagot ay 1/3 na nasa fraction notation. Ngayon naman, ibabalik natin from fraction notation to column notation. So, yung 1/3 ay magiging 1:3. And 1:3 here is our final answer. Okay, next, let's have example number 2. In example number 2, we have 15:21. So, gawin lang ulit natin yung column notation na yan into fraction notation. So, yung 15:21 ay magiging 15/21. Next step, isip ulit tayo ng pinakamalaking number na pwedeng i-divide both kay 15 at kay 21. And that is 3. So, divide lang natin yan. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. And 21 divided by 3, that is 7. Then fraction bar. So, ang nakuha nating sagot ay 5/7. Ngayon, yung fraction notation na yan, gagawin ulit nating column notation. So, yung 5/7 ay magiging 5:7. And that will become our final answer here. Next, for the last example for today, we have example number 3, 21:7. So, from column notation, i-transform ulit natin into fraction notation. So, yung 21:7 magiging 21/7. Next, isip ulit tayo ng pinakamalaking number na pwedeng i-divide both kay 21 at 7. Hindi po natin siya ilo-long division, hindi po natin siya gagawing whole number. Gagawin pa rin natin siyang ratio. Kaya po, mag-iisip lang tayo ng pinakamalaking number na both pwedeng i-divide kay 21 at 7. So, that is 7. So, divide lang natin. 21 divided by 7, that is 3. And 7 divided by 7, that is 1. Then, fraction bar. So, ang sagot natin ay 3/1. Next, from fraction notation, transform ulit natin into column notation. So, yung 3/1 ay magiging 3:1. And that will become our final answer. So, sana marami kayong naiintindihan sa discussion natin for today. So, that ends our discussion for today or our tutorial for today. At again, kung bago ka pa lang sa YouTube channel ko, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bago kong videos. And palike na din po ng mga videos ko. Thank you for watching!